All right. Welcome to today's test prep. Couple things. So today's proverb was smooth seas never made a skilled sailor. It's kind of a tongue twister. And I think that can apply to what we're doing here, is that sometimes these problems are hard or tricky, but you got to get tricked if you're going to not get tricked. You know what I'm saying? So one thing I noticed watching everyone take the practice test today is sometimes you looked at these and just tried to circle your answer. Got to get out the scrap paper. When it's on the computer, you have to use the scrap paper. You need to write things down. Even if it seems easy, there's traps in these problems. You're going to fall in, you're going to take the trap. You're going to get tricked, okay? So write it down. Also, just mistakes happen when you only try to use mental math. Okay, so with that said, let's go fast, okay? It's nice out, it's a Monday. Who wants to watch a 15-minute video? Not me. Let's go. There is 7/8 of a whole pizza in Anthony's refrigerator. He eats 3/8 of the whole pizza for lunch. What fraction of the whole pizza is left after Anthony eats pizza for lunch? This is worded so silly because they want you to know that it's not of. He's not eating 3/8 of 7/8. It's 7/8 minus 3/8. Just straightforward, old school fraction problem. Okay? 7/8 minus 3/8 is 4/8. Boom. C. 4/8. But on your paper, I want to see the equation. All right. Let's go. Next, change it to blue. A shipping box in the shape of a right rectangular prism has a base with an area of 16 square feet. So we know this base is 16 feet, right? To get that base, they already had to do the length and the width. They had to. So we already have 2 dimensions. And then the third dimension is, I don't know how to do a height here. I'll make it a width, but you get what I mean. The third dimension is 6. So to figure that out, we take the base times the height. And we get 96 feet squared. So we know volume is length times width times height. But we also learned that volume is base times height. Okay? So when you have the base, you just multiply by the third dimension. You already got 2 dimensions to make the base. Moving on. What number has the same value as 32 times 10 to the 4th? Okay, so remember, 10 to the 4th is 10 places of 10. Or not, sorry. 10 to the 4th is 4 places of 10. So if I have 32, and I'm doing 4 places of 10, so there's a decimal here, so 1 place, 2 place, 3 places, 4 places. So there's going to be a 0, a 0, a 0, and a 0. It's going to be 320,000 because I'm multiplying it by 10,000. 10 to the 4th is 10,000. D. Sorry, I can't write down there, but it's D, 320,000. Okay. Told you I was moving fast today, or as fast as I move anyway. Okay. Which model is shaded to represent the area of a rectangle that is 4/5 centimeters long and 3/10 centimeters wide? Well, this one here is showing 3/10 times 1, 2, 3, 4 times 5/5. So it can't be that. It's 3/10 here and 5/5 there, so it's not A. C. Let's see. This one shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tenths times 4/5. can't be that. So it's 10 on the side. So it's 3 out of 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 3/10 times 4/5, right? So I think it's that one. This is 3/10 and 4/5, but they got to be filled in. They have to be filled in. So it can't be that one. It's B. And then also, if you think about it, 3/10 times 4/5 is 12/50. If you counted this up, that'd be 12/50. So B. All right, number 5. A teacher has 20 feet of string to use for a class project. She uses all the string and gives an equal amount to 8 students. How much string and feet will each student get? So it's a long piece of string. It's 20 feet. And it's broken up to 8 kids. I like to draw them like lollipops. So she's cutting this string up 8 times, right? And giving each kid one of these sections. So she's doing 20 cut or divided into 8 pieces. And then when you do that, you know fractions are division. So 20 divided by 8 is the same as 28ths. Right? Right. Okay. 28ths. We got to convert that. Oh, man, got to convert that. Oh, okay. 8, 16, 2 wholes, and then 4 left over. So it's 2 4/8, also known as 2 1/2. So it is C. Last one. This one is an oldie but a goodie. This guy we've had before, and it didn't go well on the test. This is the villain that we can't kill off. What digit will be in the tens place after 8,642 is divided by 10? So I correct myself. This is an easier version of one we can't kill off. Okay. If I divide this by 10, I am getting smaller by 1 place. Division gets smaller, 10 is 1 place. So my decimal makes the number smaller by 1 place. So which digit will be in the tens place? So this is the ones, this is the tens. So the 6 will be in the tens place. So your answer is C. Okay? All right. Not so bad. Now, finish that homework, get outside, go eat some grass, or whatever it is you do on a nice day.